Hi everybody. At the ISA show recently, we had a few customers that were having some trouble with their rendering, and they were unaware there's a new solution that might help solve these problems. So on screen here, I just have a simple relief with a 3D toolpath applied to it. And I'm going to come here and do a quick simulation of this. And I'll just position this a little bit differently. Hit my render key. And I've hit the button to simulate this. And what you can see is there's a bunch of striped lines that goes across the relief. And this only occurs with the simulation. When you just go to the perspective view and hit your shaded view, it doesn't show up, but it will do this. And let me turn off the toolpaths here so we can see it. Everything shows up fine here, but if you simulate it, it doesn't quite show up right. So what I'm going to do here is just close my InRoute, and I'm going to go to the InRoute folder. And here in your InRoute 4.1 folder, there's a file called the InRoute Preferences file. You want to open this with Notepad or WordPad. In this case, I'm going to choose Notepad, and that'll show you all the components of this file. I'm going to go to Find and do a search for alternate. All right, now if you see down here we have alternate OpenGL. I'm going to change this false to a true. All right, then I can close out of here, and I want to save the changes. Now when I restart, I can go back to the simulation. And this time when I do my 3D simulation, I should see a little different result. So I'll hit my play button and render it. And one other thing you'll notice is you have some ability to affect how fast the simulation goes. I can hit my up arrow key up and down, which will increase or decrease the speed. Also, when I go here to the simulation options, if I set my resolution down to 25 to 35, it'll be faster. If I want to have a sharper simulation, I would set it up to the higher range. But now that we've changed to the alternate OpenGL, we don't have those lines going through here anymore, and the simulation looks a lot better. So that's just a little tip that we discussed with some people at the ISA show, and I thought I would share with everybody.